Hello friends, welcome to Linux Unboxed. Today in this video, we are going to see various methods by which a Wi-Fi network can be compromised, and one of such methods is a denial of service attack. This attack basically sends continuous deauth requests to the Wi-Fi network and hence it disconnects all the devices connected to that particular network. Whatever I am doing in this video is only for educational purposes and tested with my own Wi-Fi network. So kindly perform these attacks on your own property. With that said, let's get straight into the video. To perform the attack, let's load up the terminal. First off, to perform such attacks, your PC must have an Wi-Fi adapter. If it doesn't come with one, you can purchase some of the best external Wi-Fi adapters on Amazon. I'll give the purchase link for the best compatible Wi-Fi adapters in the description below. Let's start with the commands now. In order to scan the available networks, your Wi-Fi adapter must be in the monitor mode. To check for the mode, you can type iwconfig. As you can see, it is in manage mode. Now let's put our Wi-Fi adapter to the monitor mode. For that, type sudo airmon-ng start WLAN 0. Since my Wi-Fi identifies as WLAN 0, I am putting it. If it's different for you, you can put it here instead of WLAN 0. Now to confirm, you can type iwconfig. As you can see, it is set as the monitor mode. In order to perform any attack, we'll need to discover the network first. For that, you can type sudo airodump-ng and WLAN 0 mon. I list all the commands which I use in this video in the description below. Now as you can see, the Wi-Fi networks are being discovered. Now once it discovers the network you are looking for, you can press Ctrl C to cancel the process. The network that I am interested in is the HackMe network. Here, take a note of the channel and the MAC address of that particular network. Now let's try to see who all are connected to my network. For that, you can type sudo airodump-ng WLAN 0 mon -c followed by the channel and -t followed by the MAC address. Since I have my device connected to this network, you will be able to see the device popping up over here. Now with this window open, let's open another window and try to send deauthentication request to that network and see what happens. To send a deauth request, you can type sudo airplay-ng --deauth 0-a followed by the MAC address of the Wi-Fi network and followed by WLAN 0 mon. Here, the 0 means that we want to continuously send the deauthentication request to that network unless we want to cancel it. Now, if you look at the device which was connected earlier is now getting disconnected, and if I try to connect to the network again, it's not letting me to connect. And if I stop sending the deauth request, it gets connected again. So we have successfully performed a DOS attack on the Wi-Fi networks with our newly learned hacking skill. Once we are done, we can change our Wi-Fi adapter to the manage mode so that it would perform as expected. That's all for this video now. Remember, understanding these techniques is crucial for strengthening network security. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing for more insights into ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Hit the like button if you learned something new and share this video with those who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more content that empowers you in the vast world of technology. Until next time, happy exploring.